Hello, good evening, Internet. Ray here, Expat Diary. It has been a long time. I haven't been uploading a video lately because I had to do a lot of paperwork. I mean, teaching in Thailand could be overwhelming sometimes, and that was mainly the reason why I did not upload a video for the past few days or weeks. Now I am here at a night bazaar or night market in Phitsanulok. It's a really famous tourist area before, and I want to show you how it operates now, or the situation now here. So let me take you for a quick walk and let's go. Okay. Now before, this area was hustling and bustling. There were a lot of tempting food stalls, nail polish shops, toys, gadgets, and anything, name it. And let's try to take a look what's happening now here. Those are some nice plants. Sorry. As you can see, it is slowly coming back to life now. Some shops are beginning to open, and there's a lot of life here now. It is an awesome sight, really. The clothes shop, shoes, fake ones. Some comes in order there if you like. Phone accessories. And are these contact lenses? Contact lenses? Yeah. If you need some contact lenses, you can come here and buy. Thank you. So yeah, that's the situation in Thailand now. Night market in Thailand. I mean, so it's really a positive sign. It is slowly coming back to life. That is positive. Not COVID positive, but positively good. You could literally buy anything here before, from t-shirts to shoes, to car accessories, boxer shorts. Come on, man. Toys. A lot of restaurants here before. They are located around this area before. Let's try to take a look. Some shops are open back there. And here, many shops are closed. Really sad, really. 3-4 years ago, it was so vibrant, alive in this area, but look at it now. It's slowly coming back. That's a good thing. Keep walking. a lot of food stalls here 2-3 years ago, and it was so crowded. Not just in Thailand, I think. In some parts of the world, the situation might be similar. Some undergarments right here. I'll not show you that. Boxer shorts again. Now I even saw a tattoo shop before here. Let's check it out if it's open. Belts. They have some good belts there. I bought one 5 years ago. Still working till now. The tattoo shop was around this area before. Not sure. I haven't been here. Oh, here it is. Glad it's still open. I'm very happy it's still open. I hope he's doing well, really. I really hope he's doing well. I mean, everybody here. Sorry. A lot of stalls are closed. But they will come back. Very positive. A bit humid tonight. So there's nothing in here now. Oh, my mom's favorite restaurant is right there, and my mother-in-law's favorite as well. So let's try to check it out. They serve good food here and reasonable prices, so nowhere to go. I am not sure if I'm allowed here. If I will get punched, then I think it will go viral. I hope I'll get punched so that it will go viral. Wait, somebody punch me. Oh, there it is. This is my mother-in-law and my mom's favorite restaurant. It is still open. It is half open, I think. Oh. I remember it's that area and here, but I'm not sure if it still operates. So yeah, try to go back. And this is the river here, non-river. Try to go back. Okay. Sorry. Whew. That was one feisty dog. I mean, I love dogs, but Kubag-kubagan sa kugamay da. Iking ba? Iking. So I guess that's it. It's a very quick walk and video. I apologize if it's not really detailed or folks, in case you're wondering why I'm walking here freely tonight, but I'm wearing my mask. Hello, Howdy Cup. Howdy Cup. Well, I am fully vaccinated, but I'm still very cautious. I've read that vaccines will take effect 2 to 4 weeks, full effect. So it's my second week. I guess I'm protected. I just want to let it out. Okay. Right. Phitsanulok night bazaar or night market. So I guess that's it. Good evening, good night, good morning. Expat Diary. Cheers.